Hello guys, good morning. The weather today is really cold, windy, and so cloudy, and it will rain. So that is the weather we have in here, guys. The weather forecast is rainy today and tomorrow. My husband just came back. Evie has something in between of her paws. Huh? The weather is cold, guys. There is no sun. Look. I'm waiting if this cabrita because we have one goat, guys, that every time she hears something, then she comes out, she jumps.
She's waiting.
Who's waiting? Look at these two, the mother and daughter. Look, guys, this pomegranate is very low. Can you see? Let's go and see my husband. Alfalfa and hay. Hay straw. We have to protect, guys, because rain is coming. That is the weather forecast. This year, guys, we don't have pistachios, but we have. But maybe, Daddy, better to mix there later so it won't fly. Huh? Better to mix there, Daddy. So this is my husband's routine in the morning, guys, at the moment. Wow, these are rose hips. We have lots of rose hips. Look, guys. I didn't record. What a pity, huh? I couldn't record the right time that this Jupiter jumps. Huh?
C'est bien, quand je vais faire là. C'est un peu difficile. Je ne pas, hein, la région.
Papa.
Venga, vamos gallinas.
So my husband will give feeds to our chickens. No need for me to come, Papa.
No need, no.
So our hens are Sussex breed, guys. Each one of them is 3 kilos. And I have 3 that are different. Our friends gave us 3 of these 2, this and this one. Just like the other one. Yeah, the tall one, this one. It looks like she's a mix of a Sussex and another hen or a rooster. I don't know, guys, because it looks like she's like Sussex, but the thing is she has a feather on her legs. Yes, so we are now inside the house and my husband took 15 minutes to give food for our animals.
Goats, the sheep, and the
Hens.
hens.